In this training video, we are going to take a look at the knowledge base within the FMS. If you go over here and click on knowledge base on the left, you see that it brings up the knowledge base area. What the knowledge base is, it's basically an area where you can go in and add commonly known problems and add solutions to those problems. So when users create tickets, it prompts them to look at the solution before they actually submit a ticket. So if we go in here, you see that I already have one in here, a computer that's not turning on, but let's go in here and create a new one. To do that, you'll click Create New, and this is where we start. You can put a title in here, something like sound doesn't work, and then you can put a description of the problem, that way users know, hey, maybe this is not the exact problem I'm having, I need to look at a different article. You can put a description in here if you want to. You can also put the solution in here, which of course this is the most important part. So for the sound doesn't work, we can say, make sure your speakers are on. Something like that. You can add as much detail as you wish. For location, you can go down here and select whatever locations you have added. So maybe it's just for a particular building, a particular article for a building. Maybe some different buildings have some different settings for things, if it's technology related. So you can go in here and select a location. If you set the article as an important article, what it does is it puts it first under the important article section. That's the first one that they'll see when they go to the knowledge base area. And for tagging, this is the most important part here, because this is how these articles will show up to users when they're actually creating a ticket. You need to add tags here that are basically keywords that a user would enter. So you need to enter something like sound. Click on the plus sign. Doesn't work. Add as many tags as you think that you need to. And I'll show you an example of how this works exactly, so you'll have a better understanding of how the tags work. So we have our details in here. If we click on the Create button, I didn't enter a description. Just enter test. You see that it adds it down here. If we had flagged it as an important article, it would have showed up here. So now let's go in here and create a technology ticket within the system. You see the first thing that we have to do is we put a ticket name. So as I start to type the word sound, you see that it pops up helpful knowledge base, and it pops up that article that we just created, sound doesn't work. If the user clicks on this, it actually opens a new tab with that knowledge base article. They can go in here, look at the description and the solution. They can also go in here and rate this article, so maybe they want to say, hey, that's a good article, and it says thank you for your rating. Of course, if that doesn't work, they can go back in here and enter the ticket still. The user can also go over here and click on knowledge base and just look at all of the articles within themselves, click on them, and those types of things. That's how the knowledge base works within the FMS. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us, and we'll be more than happy to help.